Is snoring interfering with your rest? Read these tips. Restless nights plague many people. When you or your loved one snores, it can make sleep even more difficult. Snoring is not just disturbing for others, it can also be dangerous. Snoring is a nuisance to a good night's sleep. However, there are many helpful hints that can help minimize the impact of snoring in your life. Many people find that breathing strips are an effective and fairly affordable means of cutting down on the snoring. However, some people have expressed problems with preventing the strips from falling off during the night. Before applying the strip, use an alcohol-based toner to swab the nose and surrounding area. This will allow the adhesive strips to firmly grip the skin all night long. You may want to think of trying certain treatments specifically made for snoring. They are proven to be effective and may be the only option you have left. There are a wide range of treatments used for snoring, including certain throat sprays, nasal strips, and even oral strips. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. If the room you sleep in is too dry, it would be wise to purchase a humidifier. When the air is too dry, congestion can occur in your throat and nose, and can even make them swell. The congestion and swelling make it harder to breathe and causes you to snore. A humidifier can eliminate this problem. Snoring does not need to control your sleep. Although it can be embarrassing, it is a natural and somewhat unpleasant part of life. If you or your loved one's snoring is too much to handle, then please seek medical help. Snoring can lead to other health problems. Remember, a good night's sleep can happen. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.